is control. This is a water retention area. It has helped. It's here. It was built to relieve flooding, mitigate flooding in our neighborhood. So remember when we had Harvey, the last one, this area didn't flood. That's because of this. The water level in the lakes came up about 80, 75, 80 feet.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah. And this is all connected to our bayou system. And here they want to leave it kind of wild, you know, so as a hiking area, recreational area. They're going to slowly develop it. Okay.
Now that chocolate bayou over there, what's the name of this bayou going down?
This is part of all of it. I don't. I think this is Sims. This is Sims.
Okay.
This is the hill is called the hill at Sims Bayou.
Oh, okay.
That big hill. Okay, you guys aren't up for a long walk, right? We're gonna cut across and go back, okay?
Okay.
Unless you are, you let me know. I don't want anybody.
Where that truck is over there? Where the big hill at?
Oh, we'll see it right when we come across the bend right here.